What if you could see how much time you had left? Introducing Lifeclocc. It represents the simple idea that our life is finite. It is a reminder to live life to the fullest, and that we should maybe not spend all our hours endlessly scrolling social media. What is it exactly? It is a desk clock that sits next to you while you work. It shows you the number of seconds you have left to make a difference. It serves as a visible reminder not to procrastinate. And if all else fails, it makes for a pretty good conversation piece at least. I've been working on this project for a few years now, and I am happy to have reached a point where I have a tangible product to show for it. Kickstarter's Make 100 campaign seems like the perfect platform to reach the maker community and whoever else shares my passion of time. Setting it up is fairly straightforward. It is very similar to setting a regular desk clock. There are 2 different editions. Each of them comes with 2 different varieties. A fully assembled one and a DIY kit. Just bring your own soldering iron. It runs on the Arduino platform and the source code is available on GitHub. For those of you who like to tinker with hardware, you are encouraged to try messing around with it. Check out the campaign below to see the different rewards. And remember, every second counts.